Are you looking for a right learning solution that fits perfectly into your dynamic and progressive lifestyle? As a networker, attending a traditional classroom might not be convenient as you have to follow a compulsory learning schedule, which could intervene in your business. What if there is a smart and interactive way of learning that gives you ultimate freedom and flexibility to study anywhere, anytime? The Swiss e-Learning Institute is your answer. Utilizing the power of online platform, the Swiss e-Learning Institute provides you a broad range of necessary resources and tools to make your learning experience an exceptional one. Courses at the Swiss e-Learning Institute are designed by globally renowned academics, scientists, and field professionals from Switzerland's leading global online university, who is our strategic partner in creating courses. Each course is built on a modular design that allows for a flexible and self-paced progress through the individual chapters or topics. Once you enroll the course at the Swiss e-Learning Institute, get ready to enjoy learning. Well-developed, interesting courses such as Mini MBA introduces learners all the fundamentals of business and management skills. E-commerce helps learners develop their online marketing skills and provides them tips and tricks to achieve in the business. Entrepreneurship, ideally designed for savvy networkers who want to enhance their entrepreneurship skills. Performance management provides learners techniques and tools to manage and enhance their performance skills successfully. Business English, specifically designed for learners who want to develop their English communication skills in order to get ahead in business. Presentation and communication skills, designed for learners who want to excel in effective communication. Career design, created for learners at a turning point in life who want to identify their strengths and weaknesses in order to master personal changes and overcome barriers to become successful. Marketing, designed for learners who are ready to reach out to new audiences and markets. The art of management, created for learners seeking profound managerial insight and understanding. Expand your knowledge through the Swiss e-Learning Institute's online library, an interactive and powerful business platform where you can enjoy a variety of interactive tools such as e-books, MP3s, MP4s, journals, and more. With these well-developed, interesting courses, you will also enjoy greater flexibility in your learning schedules. You can log in to your virtual classroom anytime, anywhere, while taking as much time as you like to go over the materials. The Swiss e-Learning Institute requires no commute, so you can devote more time to your studies and other commitments. Enjoy a learning environment in the comfort of your own home. Once you successfully complete the course, you will be awarded with a certificate of achievement from the trustees of the Swiss e-Learning Institute. Once more, the Swiss e-Learning Institute seeks ways to cross bridges and overcome language barriers. You can choose your preferred language, available in English, Turkish, French, Russian, and Arabic. Interested to enroll in one of the Swiss e-Learning Institute courses? Why wait? Visit your virtual office now and follow the 3 simple steps. Enhance your education, enhance your business skills, and enhance yourself with Swiss e-Learning Institute. Knowledge at your fingertips. Exclusively available from QNet.